Join me as I challenge myself to practice mindfulness in every single moment of my day. Can I really stay present while juggling my daily routine? Mindfulness is all about being fully engaged in the current moment while letting go of distractions and judgments. It's a powerful practice that can transform our daily lives, allowing us to appreciate the little things and find peace in the midst of chaos. Hi, this is Dr. Nelson D'Souza, a mindfulness and a transformational coach. My dear friends, feeling overwhelmed is a common experience for many of us. As we rush through our daily tasks and try to keep up with the demands of modern life, we often find ourselves lost in thought, worrying about the future or dwelling on the past, and forgetting to appreciate the present moment. Our minds are constantly racing, making it difficult to focus on what's happening right now in front of us. This can lead to stress, anxiety, and sense of disconnection from the world around us. Many people overlook the importance of being present, thinking that it's not essential or they don't have time for it. However, being present is what allows us to truly experience life, to connect with others, and to find meaning in our daily activities. When we are not present, we miss out so much and our life become dull and unfulfilling. Every day, we engage in activities that could be opportunities for mindfulness. However, instead, we often do them on autopilot. We eat our meals without tasting the food, commute to work without noticing the surroundings, and do chores without being aware of our thoughts. These everyday activities can become mindfulness practices if we approach them with the right mindset. For example, when eating, we can focus on the taste, texture, and the smell of the food, savoring each bite and enjoying the experience. When commuting, we can pay attention to the sights and sounds around us, noticing the people, the buildings, the vehicles, and the nature. Even doing chores can become a mindfulness practice if we focus on the sensation in our body, the movements, and the breath. Practicing mindfulness in everyday activities can have a profound impact on our well being and quality of life. It can help us reduce stress, improve our relationships, and increase our productivity by being more present and aware. We can appreciate the beauty in the mundane tasks and find joy in the simple things. For instance, taking few deep breaths while doing the dishes can help us relax and feel more centered. Paying attention to the sensation of our feet touching the ground while walking can help us feel more grounded and connected with our body. These small moments of mindfulness can add up and make a big difference in our daily lives. One powerful technique that demonstrates the impact of mindfulness is the stop and breathe exercise. Whenever we feel overwhelmed or stressed, we can stop what we are doing, take a few deep breaths, and focus on the present moment. This simple technique can help us calm down, regain our composure, and approach the situation with a clearer mind. Many people have found that this technique has transformed their daily routine, allowing them to handle challenges with more ease and confidence. By incorporating mindfulness into our daily activities, we can develop greater self awareness, improve our emotional regulation, and enhance our overall well being. My dear friends, the benefits of mindfulness are numerous, and the best part is that it's accessible to anyone, anywhere. By starting small and being consistent, we can develop mindfulness practice that suits our lifestyle and preferences. Whether it's taking few deep breaths each day, paying attention to our senses, or practicing mindfulness in our daily activities, every moment is an opportunity to cultivate greater awareness and presence. By integrating mindfulness into our daily lives can have a profound impact on our overall well-being, helping us to feel more grounded, centered, and at peace. If you have had any experiences with mindfulness, please share them with me in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out my other videos on mindfulness techniques. Thank you very much.